Hello students, I want to introduce you to Section 8.5. So basically what Section 8.5 is, we are completely reversing the things that we learned in 8.3 and 8.4. 8.3 and 8.4 we were taking binomials times binomials, and most of the time they made us some trinomials. So I'm going to show you this again. So when you take a basic binomial times another basic binomial, what do you mean by a basic, Mr. K? You got a plain variable and a number. Plain variable and a number. So when you take a basic binomial times a basic binomial, you'll get this thing called a basic trinomial. What's a basic trinomial look like? The x squared, the variable squared, is all by itself at the front. You got a number times the regular variable, then you got a number all by itself. Now remember, there's a nice little shortcut when you took a binomial times a binomial. It was just the first thing squared. The middle number was the sum of these two numbers, and then the final number was the product. Okay, what do you mean by the sum? Well, if you made a polybox, you'd have a 8x and a 3x together. That would make 11x. 8 plus 3, that's addition. That's a sum. So 3 plus 8, 11. There it is. And then the final polybox right here was 3 times 8, which was 24. This pattern happens every single time you take a basic binomial times a basic binomial. This middle number is always the sum of these two numbers, whatever these numbers may be. And by the way, you always start off with the variable squared. The middle number is times the variable. It's always the sum. And that last number is always the multiplication. This pattern of the sum and the product, the sum and the product, the sum and the product happens every single time. So what we're doing in Section 8.5 is we're completely reversing this process. We're taking a trinomial and these clues and working backwards to making the binomial. So right here, if you just saw an 11 and a 24, what two numbers multiply to 24 and then add to 11? Oh, 8 and 3, okay? So you're working backwards. It's best to attack the multiplication because there's fewer combinations of multiplications than there are additions. So let's try one here really quick. So here's what you're asking yourself. We're trying to take this basic trinomial. How is it a basic? You get a plain x squared, an x value, and then a plain number at the end. So we have a trinomial. We're trying to turn it back into two binomials. So it's basically going to look like this: x plus something, x plus something. We'll talk more about different combinations of positives and negatives. But for right now, here's the question you need to ask yourselves. There's two numbers that multiply to 30. Those same two numbers also add to 13. So I try to start off with some easier numbers here. So using a little bit of mental math, let's see here. How can I make 30? Well, I could do 2 times 15. 2 times 15. But yeah, 2 times 15 does not add to 13. 3 times 10. 3 times 10 makes 30. I'm going to write that down up here. 3 times 10 makes 30. 3 and 10 also add to 13. Boom. Those are my numbers. So my binomials would be x plus 3 and x plus 10. The order doesn't matter. You could reverse these binomials, you get the same thing. Let's check my work with a polybox. X, 3, x, 10. X times x is an x squared. Okay, I got one ingredient so far. There it is, not you. Up here, okay, we got one piece. We got a 10x. It's not looking good. 3x. Oh, look at that. Those x values come together, I think. 3 times 10 is 30. There you go. X squared plus 13x's plus 30. There it is. I'm back to where I started. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're just playing mental math games. We're trying to find the number that the magic numbers that multiply to this last number, but then add to that middle number. So it's just basically a guess and check game. If you have extremely good number sense, this will be easy for you. But if you don't have good number sense, make a list, check it twice, and see which numbers actually work out. Sorry, that didn't rhyme. So there you go. Answer. That's how it works. All right, I'm going to start doing some notes after this video is done. So I'm going to end it, and then you're going to see the next one right now. Okay, bye.